Okay, now we're going to talk about the part D, the obstacle course. And you have two different things going on here. We have displacement and we have distance. Displacement is just the starting point minus the final point. It's the straight line distance. Distance is how far we actually drive as we go along the path. In both cases, basically we have displacement is equal to velocity times time. Here's the formula. Or we have distance is equal to speed times time. So what we need to do in either case is use these formulas. And if we need to find the displacement, we're going to use the distance formula. So here's an example that's not on the page where I'm given these and I need to find the time. Well, this is the distance, so distance equals speed times time. I'm looking for time. I have this one. I have the speed, and I'm looking for time. So this is a little algebra problem. You solve it by dividing both sides. And we get that the time is 10.12. Now that I have this time is the same time that goes with this part over here for velocity. So this time is the same for both of these. So now I have displacement equals velocity times time. I don't know the displacement. I do know the velocity. And I do know the time. It's this one over here. That one goes there. And then when I multiply, I get the displacement is 142.01. That's how you do that. Okay, here's the other kind of problem you're going to encounter. I know this information about distance, but over here for displacement, I don't know the velocity. I don't know the velocity and I don't know the displacement, so I can't use this formula. That's where I'm going to have to use the distance formula. So what I'm looking at here is my starting point and my ending point here, and I'm going to use the distance formula just like we did before. Here it is. And this is going to give me the displacement. So I need to go x and x on this 255.70, that's this x, and the last one down here and then I need to do the y's. The first one. Then I'm going to plug this all into my calculator. And this gives me 134.92. There's my displacement. Now I can use this and this to find the velocity, because we know that displacement equals velocity times time. I know the time. I don't know the velocity, but I do know the displacement because we just found it here. How do you solve this? We divide both sides by this. And we get that the velocity is 11.01. And we're done.